Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you watched my last video, then you saw me make this really beautiful wall decor using Dollar Tree spoon handles. In this video, I like to show you how I use those same spoons to make this beautiful wall decor as well. So if you're interested in how I use the other half of those spoons to make this wall mirror, then just keep watching. For this project, I used one of the Dollar Tree round mirrors, one package of craft sticks, some of the silver plastic mini spoons, my Rust-Oleum silver metallic spray paint, some gems that I purchased from Michael's, and my glue gun and glue sticks. I have a complete list of what I used down in the description box. So the first thing I did was remove the mirror and the cardboard from the frame, and I sprayed the frame with my silver metallic spray paint. While that dried, I started putting together the pieces for my mirror. For each piece, I simply used my hot glue gun to add 4 of the spoons to the top of my craft stick. I made sure that the round end of the spoon was facing outward on each end of my craft stick, and once it was dry, I added a second craft stick to the back of each piece. Once I made all of my spoon pieces and my frame was dry, I used my hot glue to reattach the mirror and the cardboard back to its frame, and then I hot glued the spoon pieces to the back of the mirror. I continue using the hot glue to add my pieces around my mirror. I soon realized that the craft sticks would overlap because they were too long, and that I should have cut this second craft stick in half. To fix this, I simply used a pair of scissors to cut some of the craft sticks shorter. This allowed me to add all 41 pieces to the back of the mirror with very few of them overlapping. To fill in the spaces, I added 3 rows of these single spoon pieces right on top. Here's what my design looked like after I added my first row of the spoons. Here's what I had after adding the second row. I continued that same method to add my third row of the spoons. And I noticed here that some of the spacing was a little wider in some of the areas. So to cover up those areas, I added 2 spoons instead of 1. After adding my third row, I had something that looked like this. I then flipped my design over and added my final row of the spoons to close the gaps along the edges of my design. To complete the project, I added gemstones around my frame, cleaned my mirror, and here was my finished look. This turned out beautiful, and I was super excited to come up with a new design to utilize the other half of my spoons. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye!